453 Washington Court. Very nice house, lots of space, paved driveway, nice storage, actually for a car area right up front. And we're going to do a little visit of this beach house. So you've got the colonnade right there, which is a very nice entrance. Give some shade so you can put all your plants right there. Got a little entrance right here, which is screened, so you can put all your shoes and leave everything right here. So we're entering right now. Then we got on the left side right here, it's a bedroom. Right here, lots of space for office. And then right here you've got another office right there with a beautiful view of the water. So great things right there. Would be a great place just to knock down some walls and just do some nice things here. You would have a nice big house. And then here you've got a bathroom with a bathtub, which has been redone too. And then you've got bedroom right here. Ceiling fans, many windows, and then the master right there, which is very nice as well. Bigger, of course, and that big huge windows in the back. Lot of space. Private bathroom right here. I'll open it up for you guys. That's it. And then, oh, kitty cat right there. And then right here you've got little village right there. So we're going to go to this is the pass-through, by the way, that I saw right here. And I will show you the rest of it in a few minutes. But this is a very nice area right here with a tree, and it's wonderful to be right there. It's all paved, and got to be an old tree right here. So, and then you're right on the water, of course. Right there, and you're right about almost very close to the bay that I will show you in a minute. Big window, lots of nice windows. All of those have been replaced, so it's nice to have that. And the roof is metal roof. So I'm going to show you now the view right there. Right here, see, right there, and then right here, which is very nice. Lots of spaces here. lots of shade. So at night, you know, in the afternoon, you can put you have a choice right here. You can put it right there or right here, depending, or both, and enjoy Florida. That's it. Lots of storage right there. It's actually oversized 2-car garage, which is actually very, very nice. You have a little bit of area right here, and bigger than the normal.